Hey guys. Hey guys. So it's Sharky here. We're at Petty Cash. This, if you know about the Collision conference, you know about the spreadsheet that's going around. Everyone's sharing it. 40,000 members, attendees at Collision or more are looking at the spreadsheet. And we have, for the first time, exclusive story with the spreadsheet guy, Michael.
Spreadsheet guy.
Nice to meet everybody here.
Okay, so the spreadsheet, for people that don't know, is a list of events. How many events were there?
So we have over 80 events right now.
80 events on the list that you can go to during Collision, and we didn't know who made this and why. Now we have the full story.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell us the story. How did it get started? Why did you do it? And what's the story behind it?
I mean, very simply, fundamentally, I wanted to make sure that people within the ecosystem in Toronto could connect with each other. To be honest, last year, I also went to Collision, and there was nobody who was making sure that everybody was going to all the after parties. All I want to do is take what we've learned from places like in the States, where they have pretty much one of these sheets for every single event, and bring it here to Toronto. Here's the key point. What we've realized after putting out the sheet is that there's so much energy, there's so much love for the startup ecosystem here. Not just hundreds of people, thousands and thousands of people coming to these events every single day and exploding the number of opportunities and the number of connections that people are having between startups, builders, operators, and investors.
Okay, awesome. So it sounds like you're losing your voice.
I am.
How long did it take you? How did you get started?
Yeah.
Seems like a lot of time. And just use a spreadsheet. Why didn't you make some software or create some forms? What happened?
Yeah. Well, I mean, so I started about 6 weeks ago. In the beginning, it was pretty simple, just going on some public information from Eventbrite, contacting people who had done events last year before, and then getting them onto the spreadsheet. This year, a lot of people are doing events around Collision, and everybody wants people to attend. So eventually, people came to me, and they started sharing their events with me, and I was able to put them on the list and add a ton more visibility.
Okay, cool. So I want to introduce some of your team members. So it's founded by how many people? 6 people? 7 people?
7 people.
Okay, cool. 7 people. They've been doing this for about a year now. So who are these people
So
on your team?
Detail, please.
Yeah, so I'm Victor. I'm one of the co-initiators of A-Style, and pass it on to Oliver.
Oh, hey, I'm Oliver, one of the co-initiators too, and we just really want to empower all the investors and the startups by doing a community. Welcome to join us.
So what each of you guys do?
Essentially, what we do is we host events. Some of the biggest.
What you personally do?
Me personally, I just finished my last semester in Seoul, South Korea. So.
Okay, sorry. Let me phrase. What do you do for A-Style?
Oh, for A-Style? Basically, at A-Style, we all work together. We get sponsors. We get venues together. We market the events, and then we help everybody come out, have a good time, make sure everybody gets, the free drinks, make sure the founders meet the investors, make sure the investors meet the founders, make sure all the technology enthusiasts, the students who want to learn more about the ecosystems, get to know everyone else, bring everyone together, empower the Toronto startup ecosystem.
This guy's good. They get PR training. He knows exactly what to say. Wow. So, and what do you do? How do you contribute?
Well, I have some experiences in the VC field. So sometimes they do events logistics, and sometimes invite some of the investors here, and we do pitch events. So basically like a road show.
He connects us all the international investors here.
International investors.
We want to go global. This is the guy that helps us go global.
This is the brains, the international brains.
We try.
International.
The big guys over here.
East, West. Okay, so I saw Frank on stage. He has a really strong presence on stage.
He's an entrepreneur. He's a serious entrepreneur.
He's an entrepreneur. So what's your contribution to this?
Yeah, so we're
Are you just a good-looking guy? Is that the thing? You're
yeah, I'm the stable. I'm the guy in A-Style. I'm just joking. Everyone.
No, he is. He's the biggest.
No. Everyone here, we're all good friends. We're all either startup entrepreneurs or previous startup entrepreneurs. We had the problem of finding a hard time to get resources and to meet amazing people in Toronto. So we feel like there need to be more events like this that we can connect and actually meet people. And a lot of these guys I met previously, and they all helped me tremendously. And we hope to do these events so that everyone can meet each other and get value out of these things.
Maybe 5 years later, we can be next Collision.
Yeah, next Collision.
Yeah, next Collision. So Collision has one more year. Deciding cost for one more year. A lot of people are saying that the government shouldn't be giving them money. We don't know how much money government's giving them. We should invest in $40 billion. 40 million. Well, that's how much money they bring into the city, presumably. But the government actually gives them money, and they were saying that the government should invest in a Canadian conference rather than what's it called, a Portuguese conference.
I mean, so, we didn't have a plan. We're just saying it out loud there. So.
Okay, that's the plan. That's the plan. I'm holding you guys to it. I'm sorry. On this channel, you say something, it's done. It's legally binding.
Legally binding?
We'll grow at the speed of trust. That's always the thing that we have. Just organize more events and see more people come in. No expectations. If we get there one day, we'll get there.
Okay, cool. Anyone else on the team? Harry.
Hey, what's up?
Let's go. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Ace. What does Ace Dow stand for?
Ace DAO stands for like the card Ace, and like DAO, like we wanted to build this into basically a DAO structure where every member in the community gets to vote on the direction of the community, and as well as like what we do with funding and everything. But right now we just rebranded into Ace Social, so more of a social community. And I also have another startup called EDS. It's basically a location social media. It's what it is like it's a snap map, but you need to get close enough to interact with the content. So a micro social media, instead of like connecting with someone in Miami, you get to connect to people wherever you are. And my contribution to Ace DAO, I mostly do sort of like branding, like graphic design stuff for Ace DAO, and that's what I do.
He's what makes us look good. He's what makes us look good online.
Okay, awesome. And then Arda. He's actually already a member of our group right here. So introduce yourself.
Hey everyone, I'm Arda. I'm one of the co-founders of Ace DAO, and I'm also the co-founder of Bonfire. We're building enterprise-level ChatGPT for Web3 companies.
Bonfire?
Yes.
Okay, I think I heard that. Is that?
I was pitching, maybe that's how you heard it. Yeah.
And then how come they're wearing a black shirt? The whole team's wearing a black shirt.
Yeah.
And you're wearing green.
I usually wear black, but today I was just feeling green, so yeah.
Okay, awesome. So, final words from Michael.
Yeah.
What's your word to? So your team says you're going to be the next Collision. Once Collision's out of Toronto, you guys gonna?
No, Collision is amazing. It's a once-in-a-year event.
Yeah.
It brings together so many founders, investors from all over the globe to Toronto. What I would love to do is for everybody to go be part of this entrepreneurial ecosystem that we have here. Come out this week, join us at all of the after parties, join us in connecting not only with the people who are coming in from the city to showcase what Toronto is all about, but also to connect with all the amazing founders and investors here locally in Toronto as well, and show the power of Toronto as a startup ecosystem, and the power of what we can do as an innovation center on the global stage.
Thank you.
Awesome, amazing. Perfectly scripted. How many hours do you practice that?
I practice it in my head every single day.
Every morning. Affirmations every morning. So the event I just came, people were pitching, their 30-second pitch.
That's right.
Right? How often do you do these?
So we have a variety of different events at Ace DAO. We do pitch competitions, we have workshops, we have a variety of other different panel kind of events. So depending on if the audience are students, builders, founders, investors, we can accommodate a variety of different things. So very often, every single year. So yeah.
Okay, so then how do people find out about these events?
Please come. Find us on our website, so we'll be sharing it with people a little bit later.
We'll have the link in there. We'll post more of your events. your team members are part of the community.
That's right.
So they'll post events. They'll keep everyone
Exactly.
in the loop.
And we'll also be coming out with a newsletter. Sign up for the newsletter, and you'll be in the know for all the events in Toronto.
Okay, awesome. Anyone else we should bring on camera? Are we good?
This guy.
Who? That guy. That's a good-looking guy right there.
Amazing.
Amazing. There's a lot of pink. Okay. Awesome. Cool.
Thanks for inviting us.
Okay, so we are out. Have a good time. Make sure you come up to the next event. Have fun. If you're a part of the tech community, entrepreneur community, make sure you come out to A-Style, A-Social event. We're posting that on the website. See you.